So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add money to your account by direct deposit on KOHO Financial. So one of two ways to get there, either in the bottom left, press home, then press add money, or you can go to where it says payments, add money, it gets you to the exact same spot. So once you're on the add money page, since you want a direct deposit, so your paycheck or whatever, so if you want to deposit your paycheck, for example, through here, just go ahead and press on the direct deposit option. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and get direct deposit set up. So you have your account number, your transit number, your institution number, as well as your institution name, and if all looks good, you can set up auto deposit, or I guess you can add money through direct deposit this way by setting it up with your paycheck here. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money to your account by direct deposit on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.